Well, good morning everybody. I just wanted to say thank you to my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. That's really awesome. It helps definitely with the motivation for spending all the time to edit the videos, and you know, I'd be bringing this content regardless, but it is kind of nice to see the subscriber count growing. I will be bringing you guys all kinds of videos. I think you've seen some of the RC car ones, crazy carts, RZRs, hot rod projects, a little bit of everything. So I'm not one genre of videos. I like to do all of it, so that's what I'm going to share with you guys. Today I just wanted to briefly talk about the project that's in this video. This video I'll be showing you picking up the Model A, bringing it home, stripping it down, and briefly showing you what it's going on. So this Model A body, it's a 29 steel body going on a Polaris Turbo RZR 2016. I think it's going to be a pretty cool project. I hope you guys really enjoy it. I'm super excited about it. Many of you will say, hey, that's pretty stupid that you're doing that. But my idea of hot rodding is you take what you have. I have the Model A, and I purchased this RZR. I'll show you in the RZR video what happened to it. A friend of a friend rolled it, and I thought, perfect. You know, what better to take that chassis, put it underneath a Model A body. I think it'll be super cool project. It'll be street legal. There's just a lot of awesome things I see about doing this project. You're gonna wanna subscribe and follow these videos. I'll just do a brief getting the Model A, tearing it down, and then I'll do the getting the RZR, tearing it down, and then we'll come together, and I don't know how many parts the video will be, but that will be two parts, two separate ones for that, and then maybe we'll do multi-part as we're going through building the, I don't know, if you guys have a good idea, let me know in the comments. I'm not real creative, so give me some of your creative names for this thing. I'd love to hear it. Anyway, here we go. Let's get started. So the Model A was buried here in this garage. In this photo, you can see my Uncle Mel Harris, who owned the car, Harris's caretaker, my Aunt Kim, Karsten, my son, myself, and my brother, Mark.
Give her some go pedal then? Is that what you're telling me? Flooring it. Yeah, now she's rolling.
Hold on.
So you know how you're talking about the old cars can race? This is one of them.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's a good memory of old cars like that.
It is, huh, bud? That thing's cool.
Before we got it running, we had to turn it over, make sure that the engine actually rotated, which it did. Yep, got to pull the starter out. Luckily Ryan's a genius when it comes to working on these old starters, so he's pulling it out. Mark's checking spark plug wires and miscellaneous other wiring, just making sure that everything's ready to get this thing working. Checking fluids. There Ryan has the starter pulled out, and he begins the process of taking it apart, cleaning it, making sure everything's good, and then it goes back up in there here in a second. Yeah.
Let's go to town.
That's rad, man. You excited for your ride?
Yeah.
Excellent. How's that? Is that awesome? Now that's some power right there. I'd try everything. The kids absolutely love it.
Where'd my eardrums go?
Was that fun?
Yeah, but I don't know where my eardrums are.
Oh, did your eardrums go out?
Screaming into my ear.
Oh, from Eliza screaming.
Hello, John. Let's go check out the old puppies at the old barber shop. Get my hair cut. I'll tell you what. Just drive down here. Hey, hey. Hold on, John. You ain't got no brakes. We're just cruising old Miss Daisy here at about 35 knots. We're just giving old Miss Daisy here a bit of a drive. Opened up her windpipes in a while. Yeah, oh, sit down, Jim. Oh, oh.
Uh-oh.
Come on, baby. It's okay. Oh, oh, oh. We are literally 100 yards from the house.